What's going on, SWILL gang? Welcome back for another unboxing video. Ooh, yeah. All right, so today we're going to be unboxing the Elgato 4KX. All right, so they have different variations that you can get. You have the HD 60, which I was thinking about getting. It's roughly about $80 less. It's an older model, probably about a year. At the time of this recording, this model itself is probably like about a year and a half old. And I'm sure they're working on something new, but for now, this is the latest and greatest. All right, so it comes with super speed game capture, ultra rapide, true 4K capture with HDR and VRR. Depends if you have your TV or your monitor for your computer. If it does have the HDR capabilities, then you'll be able to use that more than likely. It works with your PlayStation 5, PlayStation 5 Pro, Xbox Series XS, I think the Xbox One as well, and other things as well, just like that. Plug and play for the Windows, Mac, iPad. Now, you might say, hey, SWILL, what do I need a capture card for? Long and story short, guys, if you guys are doing any kind of live streaming from either your console, like we just mentioned before, to your computer or your television, you're gonna need a capture card, okay? Now, the one that I was using before, I think I've been using this maybe like 2 or 3 years, probably 3 years, is this one right here, guys. The Ultra HD 4K USB 3.0. You guys will see these on Amazon, and I'll try to link a video that I made of it. This, my friends, is a really good one. I think I paid like maybe $15, $20 back then, or maybe it might be going for $30 now. This should be $100, but honestly, for what you get, guys, this is like the best. So if this does not work, my friends, I have no problem sticking with this right here, my friends. But I want to try to step my game up here as far as my live streams go. So I went ahead and tried to upgrade here. And I try to upgrade some of my stuff on my computer every now and then. Not very often, but every now and then. All right, so ultra high frame rate support, ultra low latency, HDR 10 capture. And also if you want to record your gameplay as well, you can do that also. Which I don't do very much. I use a streaming software called OBS, and I also use Streamlabs, those two. So it does all that for me. But without those, you can use this by itself, I would imagine. It's got audio output or input, HDMI 2.0 interface, HDMI 2.0, USB 3.2 generation 2 interface. And this is what it looks like on the back of the box here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. We ain't got time for all this. This is an unboxing. If you guys want to see like another video is like the setup, how I did, how mine works out, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a video on that. I'm not really like a tech person like that, but I try to do my best. But first glance, this box is like phenomenal, my friends. And you guys know I love me a phenomenal box, a giggity giggity. All right, so this is what we got going on. Game Capture 4KX. Fits right in the palm of the hand. Almost about the same size as the 4K that we have here. But like I said, if that doesn't do what I'm thinking it's supposed to do, then it's gonna go back. It's not even a problem. All right, so on the back side, it's got HDMI in, USB-C, and then HDMI out. Let me just see what we got on this one. HDMI in, HDMI output, USB 3.0, headphone jack, microphone. They didn't really use those, but they're there. I guess it's the microphone right here. And then we have like some kind of little light. And then it says 4KX on here. We got like some kind of sort of instructions. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to read this, or I can look at some tutorials online. So I know there has to be more in the box than this, guys. This is a very fantastic presentation. All right, here we go. All right, so here is the HDMI cable. Very, very well put together, if I might add. It's got the USB Type-C right here. Really good. And I think that's all that goes inside or that's coming outside the box. Nothing else. Everything is out. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set my stuff up. If you guys want to see that setup and my settings and things like that, because I mean I can do a video for you guys for that. But yeah, I could do that. Let me know in the comments below. I would be glad to do it for you guys. But this is just an unboxing just to show you guys what comes inside this box and just a small little story in the beginning, and that's about it. But until then, guys, see you next time.